After a long gap, India won a gold in the film category and the gold went to Ogilvy for Beauty Tips by Reshma campaign. What made the campaign click? Well, we have Piyush Pandey answering that for us. Certainly the jury liked the campaign. It has won a gold. What is it about that campaign that you like the most?
I think it's the bravery of Reshma. The idea of the young creative team to even think about that a victim would come out and speak on television or on the internet was brave enough, and for Reshma to come out and do it, I think it's hats off to Reshma more than anything else, to stand up for a cause which has an implication for so many people in this country, so many women in this country, and for a victim who has been going through a lot in her life to come out and make the message happen. I think it's full credit to Reshma herself, even greater than my creative team.
How did your agency arrive upon the idea of taking Reshma as a part of the
I think they realized, the young team realized, that we become kind of immune to this kind of messaging. What is the brave thing that you could do? What is it that you could make people stand up and listen to you? And that's the idea they came up with. And that Reshma agreed is wonderful.
So what made it click for the jury at Cannes Lions, you think?
Because
they are very unpredictable with the kind of, entries that are winning.
I think it was just sheer honesty and the realness of a person coming out and speaking. The simple scripting that the team did, and there was no pretensions about this commercial. It was a message which was supposed to hit you here and make you do something about it, and the something was not too big. It was just to sign in so that you could send a petition to the Prime Minister of India.
So it won in film, like before we came to Cannes Lions, we were predicting that Reshma is going to win big at Cannes Lions, and the campaign really stayed true to the predictions. Do you think it could have won a bit more in some other categories?
I think so, but all categories have definitions. If you're into cyber, what do the cyber jury expect out of it? What was the role of cyber in that? So I think that much credit you have to give them, that they would evaluate. Personally, if you ask me, I think it should have won more. But I think with full respect to the jury's concern, they might have had their own reasons why it did not go further than it. I think it got 13 or 14 shortlists, which is huge. I would have expected it to convert at least 6-7 times. But that's okay. That's life.
So, they say that you learn so much from your work. What is it from this campaign that you learned?
I think it reinforces my own thinking of saying, be true, be honest, be brave. And all these three things get reinforced. And when we go back, we'll have a look at it as to how we entered cyber and other things where we did not win, as to what mistakes we might have made. Or maybe we should not even have entered there. I don't know. But we'll go and analyze that. But the biggest learning is that be honest, brave, and be true to yourself.
All right. Thank you so much. Thanks for speaking to us, and
Thanks,
congratulations on your win.
Thank you, Shivani. Thanks.
Now let's take a look at the overall Indian performance. Here is the final Indian tally. As a final word, I would stick to the theme of Cannes Lions 2016 and say thank you, creativity. With that, it's a wrap on Storyboard this week. But that's not all from Cannes Lions. We have quite a few interesting discussions lined up for you in the forthcoming weeks. So merci beaucoup. Thanks for watching. And we'll be back same time next week. See you soon. Au revoir, Cannes style.